What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make $100 on your very first day with CPA marketing. This is gonna be a brand new method that I never talked about on this channel. This is usually something that I only go over with coaching students, and one of my coaching students was able to make results in his very first campaign, the very first day, using the strategy that I'm about to detail in this same exact video. The only thing is I can't give you the exact offer that they were using. Maybe if you get in my private coaching or something, I'll give you the offer, but it wouldn't be fair to them. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you different type of offers that you can use with this method. I already went over offers in my other video. You can check that out. But in this video, it's gonna be a little different, and this is kind of new because this is gonna be centered around the adult niche. So disclaimer for anybody out there who's not comfortable with adult type content, I would just go ahead and just get off this video because I'm not really going to show anything crazy on it. Like, you can go through the tactics, but this is going to be an adult type video. Okay, so if you're trying to stay away from adult content, or you're religious or something like that, this is not the video for you. Okay, so just a little slight disclaimer. But as you can see, I'm on Offer Vault right here. And let's just go dive into the adult content, right? So they have a bunch of different adult offers out there. Now you can do single opt-in type offers, pay per sale offers, and that's kind of the offer niche that it was in. It was a pay per sale type offer. So that's all the hints that I'm gonna throw out in this video. So it really wasn't one of these like low payout $2 offers. I think it was paying like $50 or like 50-60 bucks or something like that. So you can find those type of offers here on Offer Vault. What you could do is, as you can see, get people to sign up for like Brazzers or something. If you're familiar with those, I don't think I can say the P word, but I'll just say P to kind of, so on the P sites, you kind of see some of these ads already. So what I like to do is just come on here. If your affiliate network doesn't have any adult offers, just come find an adult offer on Offer Vault. Okay. And the next thing that you want to do once you find a nice cost per sale type offer, it can be in the mail enhancement niche. That's another tip right there, mail enhancement, or it could be a cam type site. However you want to do it. But once you find the offer, the next thing you want to do is you're going to want to get Adplexity Adult. Now, why do you want Adplexity Adult? Now, I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in right here. I can't really log onto this dashboard and stuff like that because it gets really, really graphic. But this tool right here is going to allow you to see all the different type of ads that are on these P sites. And you're able to swipe banners and swipe landing pages straight from this site. So you might come up with an offer, like with a campsite, mail enhancement, something like that. And what you can do is you can find those type of banners, and the type of banners that I recommend is 300 by 250. 300 by 250 is the only type of banners that I use for these ads, and they work well. So if it's not broke, don't try to fix it. All right. So use 300 by 250. Come here. As you can see under size right here, they have 300 by 250. Literally just click that and just swipe you some banners, and you can even send to a graphic designer to repurpose it, whether to match whatever type of offer that you have. You can match it up. So even if it doesn't match up exactly, you might be promoting another product or another website or something like that, you can have those banners repurposed through a graphic designer. Okay. Also, what you can do is grab the landing pages. So same thing, you can have those repurposed by a web designer, or if you're pretty good with redesigning landing pages, or if it matches up exactly, you can just swipe the whole lander. Okay. And it makes it really easy if you use a tool like Adplexity, because like you don't have to come up with everything yourself. This is literally like the cheat code to having success day one. Is now landing page is going to be critical to your success because you don't want a direct link on this website. Now, the website that you're going to run traffic on is not going to be like Traffic Junkie or XOClick. I'm literally going to give you a high quality traffic source, and that traffic source is called Adnium. Okay, Adnium. So Adnium has high quality traffic. This is what I suggest all my students use. And this is just a tip. This is like a freebie from my coaching. I usually don't even give this site source out to just a lot of people, to the masses pretty much. I only get a site out to people who actually, pay for the coaching, because this is how high quality this traffic source is. But I'm gonna go ahead and drop this source in this actual video so you guys are geared up for success, because of course this video is titled Make $100 Your First Day with CPA Marketing. This is how you're gonna do it, using a high quality traffic source like Adnium, not like Traffic Junkie, XOClick, or anything like that. So why is it so high quality? It's literally high quality because you can use something called members area traffic. Members area traffic is for traffic that people have paid to get inside of that, of that website. So it's nothing but members who have paid and they are signed up to the actual website. I'm not sure if it's all paid, but for some reason, but it's for people who actually made accounts and real actual people. So the traffic quality is way higher. Now you can test out other members area traffic and stuff like that, but I prefer you use Adnium because it works. It's been proven to work. It works for me, works for my students. And I'm gonna just show you how to come up with a campaign really easy. Just set your budget here. I think you could do 20 bucks a day. Now, what I do suggest is coming up with about 3 to 5 different banners that are 300 by 250. So when you're on Adplexity, just find multiple banners so you can split test, and you want to make sure that you have volume, right? And the reason you want to have volume is because you can literally optimize for so many things and scale your campaign up the right way. Not only can you make money just launching this campaign, but you also can optimize your campaign to extract even more profit from it. Okay, so you have carrier, connection type, literally traffic type, straight, gay. So I know on Offer Vault you can see some of these offers were like tranny and stuff like that, you know, like gay type offers. So if you want, I think I saw that somewhere, like tranny or something. I saw it somewhere on Offer Vault, but oh, here we go. Transsexual adults. So you can literally take a offer like this and just select like gay traffic. But if your offer is straight, then of course only choose straight. You can use the user frequency, how often somebody sees your ad. So I would just put this at 5, or if you want to be really strict, at least 2 times. So people won't see your banners more than 2 times in a per 24 hours. All right. You can make black or white lists, and let's just go to next. And let's just show you how you can optimize for all these different things. Okay, literally you can optimize for, of course, country. So let's just type in, if it's a US offer, let's type in United States of America, and you can select a campaign for certain regions. So if you see a certain region is converting well for you, you can optimize for that. If you see a certain carrier is working well for you, you can optimize by all these different carriers. So let's say T-Mobile or something is working the best for you. You can have a campaign just for T-Mobile carriers and different languages. That shouldn't matter. I just do all. If you want to select English, you can select English, but you can see you can select all the different operating systems right here and all the different devices. So this is why I say using something like volume is very critical and key, because if you use something like volume, then you're able to see all the details from your conversions. So once you start getting conversions, this is why volume is important, because once you start getting conversions, you want to see where those conversions are coming from. You don't just want to see click information like, okay, this click, like you want to see what click, like what phone was it, what operating system, what carrier were they on? Because if you can fine tune that type of stuff where you see, okay, Verizon is bringing me the most conversions, just have a campaign set up just for Verizon. Okay, it might come to operating system and see, all right, Verizon with Chrome OS, and you may have a certain device that may be working specifically, like let's just say iPhones. Like literally setting the campaign up to these specifics is how you're able to get to the big bucks and boost your ROI, because a lot of people run this stuff without tracking, so they don't know all these details. So you may be making money, but you're like, okay, but my campaign is not profitable. It's not profitable because you're not running to only the profitable elements. You get what I'm saying? So this is how you really fine tune your campaign. Now, like I said, 3 to 5 banners for this campaign. Once you add the banners, you're literally gonna just you're kind of looking for one winner, one banner that's generating the most clicks. Now, one banner may be generating a bunch of clicks for you, but it may not be generating conversions. And you might have a banner that's not performing as well as the other banners, but it's actually generating you conversions. So I say you can I say stick to the banners that's actually generating conversions, even if it's not as performing well and getting as many clicks, because at the end of the day, that's what matters, is making money. So I actually showed you the type of offers you should use. I actually showed you, where you can get your landing pages from, your banners, stuff like that. I can't really show you inside this tool because it literally gets really, really graphic. As you can see, a lot of this stuff is blurred out, and it's for a reason. So, I mean, if this is against your morals to promote offers like this and to do a strategy like this, I say, all right, stay away from it. But I say this is a very good way. Not only is it a way for you to make money really, really fast and easy, because I mean, when it comes to these adult sites and these P sites, they literally have billions and billions of impressions available as like the number one niche, like probably outside diet and stuff that makes money for affiliates. And it's just really a moral type thing. Like, are you comfortable with it? Are you not comfortable with it? But you don't have to worry about, your ad accounts getting banned and all the other stuff you have to worry about when it comes to affiliate stuff. So if you can stomach these type of ads and these campaigns, then you can make a bunch of money in this niche. All right, guys. So this is just something I wanted to go over this video, something, pretty much new for the channel that I really haven't talked about, just because, I mean, it's hard to kind of go over this kind of content in depth on the channel. Like, that's why I usually like doing it in my private coaching, because I can actually show certain things. But you got enough information, you got the traffic source, you know where you can find some offers, you know where you can get landing page banners. So you got enough information to go out there, put this stuff together, use a tracker, because I showed you everything you can optimize for. So you want all those details so you can build your campaign effectively and scale effectively. Okay, guys. So that's all I got for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.